Katie. Katie. You're gonna make a rhyme with the word tree. Okay? Okay. Go. Katie died. Honey, that is so creepy. Could you just go? It's been 30 seconds. Katie, stop fucking laughing. Katie, stop laughing. I want you to rap about the word tree. What? What's your problem? What's your problem? Katie, for real though. Are you drunk? Are you gonna die? Do you have to fart? You have to fart? Oh, okay. What is your problem? Are you crying? Why? Katie! Katie, what the fuck? No, you're not! You fucking bitch! What is your problem? I can't breathe. You what? I can't breathe. It's too funny. This is the day that Katie died. Goodbye, Katie.